Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Let me choose this one. And now tap on edit contact, so this pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on this this circle or this camera icon, and now you can either take a photo right here, and after choosing this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So let me tap on it. It can be this one, it does not really matter. Let's find the photo. And here in this step you can change the position of this highlighted square. You can change the size of it also, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it, for framing. So if you're happy with your choice with the positioning, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo will be assigned. To confirm everything, remember to tap on the save icon in the right upper corner again, and here we've got our photo, or actually our contact with a saved photo. Of course you will be able to see it on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.